Have a good time.
All right.
Take it easy coming around the corner hot so you don't slip out.
Yeah, yeah.
Go. Yeah. Kick it like you mean it.
Hello, hello, beautiful people. Demeter here. As you can see me, I'm driving my car right now, and I'm so excited. Today's gonna be unbelievable day. I'm really excited, and the reason for that is very simple. I'm heading right now to my first ever dirt bike class. I've never tried dirt bike, never ever. I don't know what to expect. I watched a couple videos to see how the things are going, and right now I got some of my gears that I have going that way, but the guy actually told me that I'm not gonna use my gears because my gear is for a street bike. The dirt bike gear, obviously it's different than this one, but he said, okay, don't worry about it. I'm gonna provide you with everything that you need for this class. And the reason that I'm going with my car instead with my motorcycle is because first I will need 2 hours just to go up there. Then I will have some classroom time, and after that the whole day I'll be outside. They say that it's gonna start raining at lunchtime, and they say that the chance of raining is 100%. That means I'm gonna be so wet at the end. I believe so. That's why I got another pair of clothes in my car. And after that, I need 2 more hours go back. I believe that I'm gonna be pretty tired and happy. That's the reason to go over there. And actually, to go for this class first is my curiosity. I want to learn how to ride. I want to be a better rider. That's the one thing. And they say, I don't know if it's true or not, but they say if you're a very good dirt bike rider or adventure bike rider, you're going to be very good on the street. That's going to help you a lot. But also there is a simple, for me it's a simple reason that I need to know how should I ride on a dirt, but that's not for now. That's a future plan for next summer, but see what happens with this. And to go to this place actually was really accidentally. As an information, I got this from the dealership that I bought my motorcycle. I asked them, hey, do you know any good place that I can go and try a dirt bike or adventure bike? And they actually gave me the contacts to this guy. I tried to contact him a couple times. I don't know why nobody was picking up the phone, but yesterday afternoon I said, okay, let me try one more time. And he answered the phone. We started talking. When we were on the phone for like 30 minutes with this guy, and we talked about a lot of things. And the guy said, okay, I have an available session tomorrow. That means today. What do you think about that? And I was really surprised because I was planning to have a nice and easy, smooth, lazy day. But I said, why not? The hell, let's go over there and see what's going on and have some fun. And I said, okay, let's do it. The only issue though for me was that I have to wake up 5:30 in the morning just for this. But I think that it's worth it. I'm arrived at the spot. And I just forgot to mention why I'm with my car instead of my motorcycle. And the reason is that it's very cold today. It's what, 36 degrees outside? It's unbelievable. And full day, like rainy day on a motorcycle on 36, and I think maximum is gonna be something like 40, 45, 46, something like this. I prefer after that just to go in my car and turn the heat on to the max and drive in this way. Let me show you.
Have a good time.
All right.
Take it easy coming around the corner. It's hot, so you don't slip out.
Yeah.
Go. Yeah. Kick it like you mean it. Like you're mad at your wife. Is she acting up? Slap her around.
Let's go, boys. Let's have some fun. Okay, let's go to the one that is more challenge, but it's more fun with this. See? Going into the mud! When I saw these stones the first time when he showed me this, I said, hell no, I cannot do it. But right now, whoa! The problem though is, right now, my feet get wet. But it's so much fun, man. I didn't expect to be like that. And just for one single day, it's amazing. One thing I can say, that it's more challenge in your mind than in your ability. Stand-up position is I can say that it's challenge because your body is moving all the time, and you have to squeeze actually the tank with your knees, but at the same time you try to hold yourself to the handlebar, and you have to manage the position. It's not easy, believe me. All right, let's change the direction.
Your mother gave you 2 feet. So
Yeah.
you use both of them, not 1 foot. 1 foot don't do nothing for you.
All right. It was so nice. It was so nice. I'm so excited.
After you get used to it doing sitting down, then what do?
Standing up.
Yes, 85% of off-road riding is
Yeah.
done standing up. Let's get it done.
Those legs.
Okay, I know you're getting tired. Just give me a couple of runs.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
All right.
Pull your clutch in, kick start it like you mean it.
Yeah.
Couple of times for me. Start out with 1, go around. Good job.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Good job.
I just finished the class, and with one word I can describe it: awesome. Awesome. It was so nice. I didn't expect that thing. I was like a kid with a lollipop. I don't know how to describe, or probably I grew up with a soccer as a sport, and I can say like a kid with a soccer ball in his feet. I don't know. Amazing. The guide showed me two fields right next to each other, and the first one was like, okay, it's not crazy hard. It looks a little smooth and grassy, There is some tracks around. I didn't think that it's gonna be really hard to me to ride over there, but I knew that it's gonna be a little tricky. And the guy said, okay, let me go and show you the second one. The same size field. It was full of rocks. 2 potholes, and because of the rain, a lot of water, like a small hill. And I was thinking, no way, that's not gonna happen. That looks scary. I don't know how I'm gonna make it through here. And first part was just teaching and learning some stuff like class things. Nothing crazy. It was easy. Most of the things I knew it already, but I believe that they have to go through all this all the time because they don't know what experience you have and how do you think. I guess also insurance policy, it's part of this. And after that he said, okay, let's go to get a bike, warm it up. And I have a 2020 Honda CB500X. It's so easy to start. You just hit the button and everything starts. I start putting my gear and it warms up by itself. Everything nice and good and easy. With this motorcycle, it was not like that. It's a carburetor. You gotta be more careful what you're doing. You gotta wait. You gotta try to keep the engine going in order to warm up. And also was not with the button, just hit the button and start the engine. No, it was with a kickstand. I didn't know that. I remember my father had a motorcycle with a kickstand, but this one, and I know that on my father's motorcycle was on the left side, and I remember he was holding the handlebar and kicking the kickstand. But on this motorcycle, the kickstand, it's on the right side. And what you're doing is you have to sit on the motorcycle, and after that, you move your body like you're doing like a body position. Lift your body on the left side just to be stable, and this way, actually, you kick the kickstand. And the first try was not that simple to me, but I got it, and the show started from there. It was like first simple things. I had to they call it power walk. I didn't know that they call it this way, but what is happening is like you just find your friction zone, of course, and then you start walking with your feet with a motorcycle, but slowly. And this is how you're gonna learn the balance. But this was the first thing, and it was easy. I mean, not that crazy, not bad, because for me, what happened with this camera, for me, was fine, because my Honda, it's a little taller, and I'm always tippy-toe on it. And with this one, actually, I was flat foot on the ground. It was really simple and easy. And actually, the second thing that I learned over there was how he was calling that, kind of a body position, but probably you know, guys, how you have to make a tight U-turn. When you're doing the U-turn, tight U-turn, you have to switch your body. I mean, if you make a left U-turn, you have to put your body out of your motorcycle, your butt actually, out of the motorcycle, but on the right side of the motorcycle. If you're doing the right U-turn, your butt has to go on the left side of the motorcycle. And here is something like this. You're doing exactly the same thing, but at one point, when you start feeling comfortable, you start sliding a little, And the other thing, you have a similar position when you stand up. And I can say that the most complicated thing to me was standing position, because on my Honda, when I stand up, I almost, my body position is almost really stand straight. I'm leaning a little, not a little, but I'm leaning forward, but not much. On this motorcycle, I lean forward a lot. He was keep telling me that that's fine, that's okay, this is the right position, but I didn't feel it like perfect for me. And I was struggling a lot with this, because at one point your leg muscles, they have to be in shape in order to keep you straight. And also when you lean a lot, and to me was leaning a lot, your body weight goes forward, and you have to use a lot of different muscles on your body just to keep your body straight. And it's not easy. At least it's not easy to me. It takes time. Good thing is that right now I know the technique, and obviously this technique works on any bike, any motorcycle, but my motorcycle is heavier than this one, and if you put a panniers or a lot of luggage on your motorcycle, it's gonna be way heavier, and you really gotta be careful what you're doing if you go to the woods or on a dirt road or something like that. But the technique, it's technique. If you follow it, if you're careful, you're gonna be good. But I'm telling you, at the end of the session, I feel a little worried. Not because of the session or motorcycle or my skills. I start feeling so excited, and I start pushing a lot, like giving a gas, twisting the throttle, sliding. I don't know what is happening to me, why I feel this way. I was so happy. I was extremely happy. And at one point I stopped the motorcycle. I asked the instructor if I'm good. Everything was fine. He said that I'm doing really well. I was happy to hear that, and I was just enjoying the ride. You're free to do what you want. I can say that I was only on the second gear. He said that I can try with the third gear, and I tried. It was not a big difference, but I didn't feel that comfortable, because there were a couple turns that I need to go with a slower speed, and to me this clutch was a little weird, not that easy as mine, and that's why I prefer just to stay on the second gear. But I'm telling you, it's worth it. All the pennies that I spend, the time that I spend, this place is awesome. To be on the dirt bike, it's awesome. And at one point there was a thought just crossing my mind, what if I buy a dirt bike? But the problem to me is that I don't have a place to store that bike. And for now I'm gonna be this way, but 100% I have to visit this place again and again and again. It's so much fun. So much fun, guys. Alright guys, that was all from me today. And if you like this video, just gives me a thumbs up. I'll appreciate this so much. Thank you. See you next time.